Hey traders, welcome to WeTrade Wave's weekly Forex forecast. In today's video, I'm gonna share with you our forecast for Euro Dollar, Pound Dollar, Dollar Yen, along with a lot of Forex pairs. In addition to that, we will cover US oil, gold, silver, and Bitcoin. We will give you some Forex trading tips which will help you with your trading. Now, due to many queries regarding our services, here we have summarized it all for you. And below is what you will get in our upgraded service. So if you are interested, check the link in the description below. Keep watching until the end, we have a bonus tip for you. On this channel, we explain you our point of view regarding the next moves in the market. Those who are new to WeTrade Wave's channel, our weekly market forecast is published every Saturday at 4 p.m. UK time to help you be on the right side of the trade. So click the subscribe button, hit the bell icon, and let's dive into the charts. We hope all of you guys made profits last week. We traded Aussie Dollar up and New Zealand Swiss up. And those were two trades from the trades of the week. Those who are new to WeTrade Wave's channel, keep watching till the end. We always give hints and tips which will help you with your trading. Regarding the XY, market is extending this down wave. So every time we are getting a corrective structure, market is giving us another drop. Most of you know that we are waiting a bigger corrective structure. So anytime, market can start this bigger corrective structure upwards. And a small reminder, those arrows guys, they are not entries or targets. What we are sharing here is our point of view on where market can go next based on our wave analysis and market structures. What is wave analysis? I will explain this during the video. So again, for the XY, market is extending this down wave. At any time, we can start a corrective structure upwards. Those who wanna go for this buy, make sure to take profits as soon as you can. And once you enter, you move your stops to break even as soon as possible. Some of you might look at this one and might see it as a head and shoulders pattern. For us, we do not look at chart patterns. We look at waves. And this what makes guys all the difference. Let me explain you why. As a chart pattern, this how it look like a head and shoulders pattern. For us, every single wave, it has his own characteristics. Every single move inside this structure. And this what makes all the difference. Now, regarding our upgraded subscription service, you will be getting in-depth analysis of the market on Sunday as live sessions, where we go through the charts in detail and also we will show you the trades of the week which we think are ready to go. The session will be recorded and the recording will be available for 7 days. A midweek review analysis email will be sent out on every Wednesday at 6 p.m. UK time. If you want to subscribe, all the details are on our website homepage. Euro dollar for this one, also market is extending this up wave. We were expecting a big corrective structure downwards. Instead, market gave us a small corrective structure. It went back up. What next? This is similar to the XY. Anytime, market can start a big corrective structure downwards. So we hope no one get in this sell. And if you get in, this must have been a break even or a small loss trade. Alright? We will never be right 100% and no one can. In Forex trading, you should never ever break your Forex trading account, which is something common for most retail traders. How to not break your Forex trading account? Do not over-risk, do not overtrade, never ever add to a losing position, and always risk small. Now if you are asking how can I make big profits if I am risking small, it's all about risk to rewards. So implementing a good risk to reward is very important. Now, regarding more details about Euro dollar structure, All of this will be covered in detail on Sunday session. Pound dollar for this one, we hope all of you get in this buy if you trade pound dollar. Why I'm saying if you trade pound dollar? Because it's very important to not jump from pair to pair to look for trades. And this is what most retail traders do. To succeed, you must think and act differently. So, for this one, we said last week we are expecting an up wave, and market went up. So this wave here, it was more than enough for you to make profits within this structure. After that, market gave us a corrective structure downwards, and then another up wave. So what after this up wave? We are expecting pound dollar to make another down move. Those who made profits, perfect. After this up wave, pound dollar can go down to break previous lows one more time. Alright guys, do not jump in, trade your own plan and trade your own system. If this one turns out to be part of the corrective structure, we might be getting another down wave to break this low before any next structure. More details regarding the patterns here that we can see, and if this will be one of the trades for next week, all of these details guys will be covered on Sunday. We are receiving a lot of emails on how Sunday sessions will look like. So if you go to our YouTube channel and you scroll down, here you can find an example on one of our Sunday sessions. And also check these short videos to get an idea about how we cover the trades of the week. Aussie dollar as example, this was one of the trades of last week. We said after this corrective structure, we are expecting an up wave, and market went all the way up from here to here. So again, we hope all of you who trade Aussie dollar made decent profits in this up wave. And do not forget to check the short video of Aussie dollar here on our YouTube channel. I will put a link for the playlist at the end of the video. So, after this up wave, if you are still in, you have to take partial profits and move the rest at break even. Why? Because we are expecting Aussie dollar to start to make a corrective structure downwards. So if you are buying and this starts to make a corrective structure downwards, we might be getting another up wave. At the moment, we are biased to the downside. Alright? If you are following us, you should be already in the buy. And if you remember this forecast, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Remember guys, your supportive comments and likes will push us to give you more and more every single week. So for now, we are biased to the downside regarding Aussie dollar. If this down wave turns out to be a corrective structure, another push up is coming. If you are in the buy, you take partial profits and you move the rest at break even. Dollar yen for this one, we are expecting market to make one more push up, another down wave. This will turn out to be a corrective structure for another down move. So those of you who trade dollar yen, this is what we are expecting next. Up, another down wave. New Zealand dollar for this one, also we've got a corrective structure, another up wave. Like I said, last week we got an Aussie dollar up and New Zealand Swiss up. Why New Zealand Swiss and not New Zealand dollar? Because New Zealand Swiss was having more potential. And there is a short video regarding New Zealand Swiss also on our YouTube channel. You can check it out here. Now, what next for New Zealand dollar? We are expecting market to go down for a corrective structure. The first wave here, it can be impulsive. If this turns out to be an impulsive wave, correction, another down move. At the moment, this is too early for this. What we can see next, after the completion of this wave, market has to give us a corrective structure downwards. Remember this. In Forex trading, first of all, you have to have a bias before you click the trade. And wave analysis can give you a correct bias most of the times. Let me repeat this. Wave analysis can give you correct bias most of the times. Pound yen for this one, we are expecting one push up, another down move. This one will be part of the corrective structure before market goes back down. After the completion of the corrective structure here for pound yen, we are expecting another drop. And some of our traders guys, they are in this up wave. In our trading room, we have a lot of questions and discussions about how to manage profits. So that shift in mindset from keep losing to managing profits is amazing. Alright? If most of retail traders are losing, it's because of lack of knowledge and they don't have a correct mindset. And this is what we try always to help our traders with, building the correct mindset. Coming back to pound yen, one more push up, another down wave. More details will be covered by T on Sunday. Yes, oil for this one, market went up. After this up wave, we were having a higher probability chance that market will push up to 63 levels. Those of you who remember this one, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment. Now, after this up wave, we're expecting a down move. So do not jump in the sell, trade your own plan and trade your own system. If this down wave turns out to be a corrective one, another push up. At the moment, we are biased to the downside. Those of you who made profits in this up wave, take a break. It's very important, guys, to take a break after every big win or streak of wins. It's not only after you take a loss. Taking a break after streak of wins or big win or a profitable month is very important in Forex trading. Gold for this one, market went up, it went back down, another corrective structure, it went back up. We were expecting this one to go down. Instead, it gave us this down wave and then it went back up again. So this must have been a break-even trade or small loss for those who get in the sell. For those who are still holding, we can see it going down and then another up wave. The structure here, it might be changed. Alright? Let me repeat this again. Those who bought this one, this was a great trade. And those who went for the sell, you must get out for break-even or small loss. Now, those of you are still holding the sells, which we do not suggest you to do. Next for gold, we are expecting a down wave, another push up. At the moment, we will not trade gold. And all of you know what happened here before this up wave, right? Those of you are reading articles and following the news, you know what happened here. Dollar CAD for this one, those who are selling, this was a great trade. Now, after the completion of this corrective structure, we can see dollar CAD will go back up. So those who are selling, you take partial profits or all the profits. After the completion of this corrective structure, we are expecting dollar CAD to push back up. Euro yen for this one, market is going in a sideways move without any impulsive wave. So next for this one more push up, another down wave, another up move. This is how we can see market will perform for next week. So if you do not trade Euro Yen usually, staying away from this pair might be wise. Structurally, this is how we can see it will perform next. Euro Pound for this one, market went up all the way from here to here. One more time, all of you who made profits in this up wave, do not forget to take a break and enjoy the profits. Now, after this up move, market has to give us a down wave. So next for this one, we are expecting a down move before any next structure. This down wave, it might be the completion of a corrective structure before the next one. At the moment, we are focusing on this down wave. So those who are selling, you manage your trades, and those who are still in the buy, now you should be in profits. You only have to follow the structure and follow us on a weekly basis. At the moment, this is what we can see next for Euro Pound. And remember guys, don't be addicted to click the trade. Instead, follow your plan and follow your system every single time. And you have to learn how to be disciplined in trading. CAD yen for this one, it's same as dollar yen and pound yen. We are expecting market to give us one more push up before any next wave. So this is how we can see market will perform next for CAD yen. All of this, guys, is based on wave analysis. So what is wave analysis? Wave analysis is analyzing the mass psychology of all market participants. What this means? Any transaction, action, or plan taken by all market participants will be plotted on the chart. And this what creates waves and structures. Who are market participants? Big banks, big investors, big players, investment banks, retail traders, and a lot more. Pound Oz for this one. We hope all of you guys took this sell and made profits with this down wave. Market went down 500 pips from here to here. Even if you took 300, 400 or 200 pips from this one, we hope that you made profits. We forecasted every single wave from here. We said up, market went up. We said correction won't push up, market gave us this corrective structure, it went back up. This was a trade call, all of you know that. Not only this, we said from here a down wave, market went down. And also, this was a trade call in our Sunday session. Do we have a proof for this? Sure. Look at this short video and see how we forecasted this one during Sunday session. Now, last week, we posted our trading view, correction up, another down wave. This is exactly what market did. So every single wave based on wave analysis. We are not saying that fundamental analysis is not working or will not work. Alright? Fundamental analysis are very important. But with wave analysis and market structures, you can make consistent profits if you know how to read the charts correctly and how to trade correctly. Because analyzing and trading are two total different topics. So we do not teach our traders how to analyze only. We teach them how to analyze and how to trade correctly. And those of you who took March course and our private members, they know exactly what I'm talking about. Now regarding the next course, guys, it will be in June. Like we said before, the deadline for March course, it was 15th of April. The next one, it will be in June. All the details are on our website, course page. So, for Pound Oz, we're expecting up, correction, another up wave. This is what we can see next for this one. All of you who made profits in this, leave it for now and focus on other pairs. Silver for this one, we've got this up wave, corrective structure, another push up. Those who are buying, you keep moving your stops. And some of our traders, guys, get in here, exactly at this point. So, those who are still holding, wait market to give you a corrective structure, another up wave. You move your stops, you manage your trade, and let market unfold. And this, guys, what I was talking about. The shift from consistent losing retail trader to how to manage your profits is amazing. So, those who are not in, leave it for now. After a corrective structure, we might get another up wave. If you trade silver or you invest in silver, you must follow everything about silver. The demand, what might happen in 2021, and why it might push up. Alright guys, if you are an investor, you must follow everything regarding the asset that you are investing in. Bitcoin for this one, market gave us a corrective structure, it went back up. And all of you know what happened here regarding Coinbase. So after this corrective structure, we've got another up move. And market pushed up to 64 levels. After that, we start to get a down wave. We are expecting this down wave, guys, to be corrective for another push up. So those who are buying, you keep moving your stops. At some point, after this up wave, 66 or 70, we can see Bitcoin falling under these lows, and these ones again. At the moment, this is a bit early. Why we are expecting this fall after this up wave? T will cover this for you in detail on Sunday session. Now is the time for the Forex trading tip. Forex trading is not about making money from one single trade. It's about making money on a consistent basis. Try to understand this, guys, and work on it. With that note, I wish you a successful trading week. Thanks for watching. We hope that you learned something new. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up, this is very important. Leave a comment, stay safe, trade with care, and see all of you next week.